Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're gonna go through all of the new Scoop, Free Assembly, and Sofía Vergara. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. New scuba dresses from Scoop. These have that higher neckline, has that thick little like trim with the underarm coverage. Relaxed fit, has the side pocket, also has the slits on the side. That's what the material looks like on the inside. And then the same fit through the back. Comes in gray, also in black, and they're $24. Sneak peek flutter sleeve tops from Free Assembly. These have that ruffled trim, the little flutter sleeve relaxed fit with the buttons all the way down, scoops in the middle, and then the same kind of fit through the back, and they're $20. New denim from Free Assembly. These are high rise. They have the whiskering, nice baggy leg through the front and back, and they're $26. And then also new front pocket denim from Free Assembly. These are high rise, the whiskering, flowy through the leg in the denim, also comes in the ivory, and they are $26. New eyelet top from Free Assembly. This one has that ruffled trim with the elastic scallop, relaxed fit, also has that scallop bottom with the keyhole in the back, and these are $24. And then it also comes in white, and then right next to that is that same style in a dress from Free Assembly. So these have that scallop trim, scallop through the sleeve, same fit through the back with that same keyhole, and they are going to be $26. New denim from Free Assembly. These are high rise, whiskering. It looks like it's a crop leg. It has that undone hem, and then the same fit through the back, and they are going to be $26. New color in the flutter sleeve dress from Free Assembly. So this has that ruffled trim, flutter sleeve, buttons all the way down, elastic in the waist with the belt, same fit through the back. They had a different style in the stripe, that's it. So now this is a new style. It also comes in the blue and white stripe, and they're going to be $32. Also sneak peek longer length dresses from Free Assembly. These have that elastic, the little toggle, button all the way down, drawstring in the waist, also has that button detail on the wrist. Same fit through the back in the white, also comes in navy, and they're $36. They also have it in a top option. This has the toggle, full button, side seam, button on the wrist, same kind of fit through the back. In the white, also comes in navy, and they are going to be $26. Also new jogger pant from Free Assembly. This one has the tortoise button, this little tortoise detail, side pocket, seam detail, true jogger bottom in the navy, also comes in green, and they are going to be $26. New vest from Scoop. So this one has the thicker strap, that square neckline, full button, a little V with the square in the back. Comes in the stripe, also in the solid black, and they are $28. And then to match, they have the blazer and pants. So there's a pull-on elastic waistband, side pocket, baggy through the front and the back, and the stripe also comes in black, and they're $30. And then the blazer has that smaller collar, lapel completely lined, relaxed through the wrist, has the button with the two flat pockets, oversized fit. This is the medium in the stripe, also comes in black, and they are $40. New cropped button down shirt from Scoop. So this one has the smaller collar, button, drop sleeve, the button on the wrist is a poplin material, has a little scoop on the side, and then the seam in the back. They are going to be $28. And then to match, these have the cargo style pants. These come with a belt, side pocket, flowy wide leg, the little cargo pocket, and no pockets on the back. Also from Scoop, and these are going to be $28. Also new cardigans from Scoop. These have that higher neckline, smaller buttons, a little sheer, ribbed wrist, rib bottom. I remember we had these in pink beginning of fall, and I don't think they popped up online, so hopefully they have these. They also come in this blue, and they're $26. New poplin dresses from Scoop. So these have that rounded neckline. It's a zippered front, has the balloon sleeve, the little belt, flowy. They have a similar top that we saw a couple months ago, like a month. and then that seam fit through the back. Comes in the white, also in black, and these are $30. Also new satin halter dress from Scoop. So this one has that little twist detail, sleeveless, elastic in the waist, pleated flowy skirt, and then it continues around the back with a little keyhole with the fabric covered buttons, and they're $38. New dress from Scoop. So this one has the drop sleeve, the little tie detail, has the elastic, also elastic in the waist, a flowy skirt, and it continues around the back, the elastic on both. In this blueprint, also comes in the black, and they are going to be $36. New Flutter sleeve tops from Free Assembly. They have that crew neckline, eyelet Flutter sleeve, really nice and stretchy, good length through the front and the back. Comes in the white, also in the navy, and they're $16. Also new tie front blouses from Free Assembly. So this one has it has one functioning tie, and then these are just for show. Peplum button detail on the wrist, has the gathering, same kind of fit through the back. That peplum goes all the way around, and these are going to be online only. Also new scuba jacket from Scoop. So this one has that mock neck with the button. It's a thicker material. It's a lot thicker than the scuba sweatshirts. Has that seam detailing, the toggle at the waist, side pocket, drop sleeve, relax through the wrist, and then that seam across the back. They are going to be $34. Colors in the slim fit Free Assembly tees. These have that crew neckline. It has that cap sleeve, seam detailing in the back in the red. They also have the light blue. There's navy blue and white, and they're $8. New dresses from Sofía Vergara. So these have that plunging V, Flutter sleeve, seam detail under the bust, has that drop tier. It's a nice stretchy kind of textured fabric. Same fit through the back in the green and white palm. Also comes in that red, pretty, and they're $28. Also new Sofía Vergara cutout dress. This one has that plunging V, the puff sleeve, this little cutout detail. It's flowy, and then that same fit with elastic in the back. Comes in this blue and white, also this floral print, and they are $28. Also new color in this halter dress from Sofia. So we saw this color last week. Now it's in this black and white, like watercolor kind of animal print. Has the gathered neckline, the little side cutout, flowy, and then open in the back. So that's what it looks like in the black and white. And they are going to be $32. New vest from Free Assembly. So this has that scoop neckline, has the functioning buttons, so you could wear it as like a little cardigan. The rib trim and the rib bottom, and then the seam through the back. They also have matching little tanks online. So it comes in the red, also in the navy and red stripe, and they're $18. New color in the drawstring jeans from Scoop. So these are the wide leg, they're high rise, they have the whiskering, nice and flowy. It's a soft denim with the little tie, and then pockets on the back. And these are going to be, oh yeah, they're online only. So they are $28, and I showed them in that wash. When I say online only, that's because somebody probably bought them online and returned them in store. So if you're looking in the store, you probably won't find them. New chambray shirt from Sofía Vergara. So these have the smaller collar, full button, the 2 flat pockets, Western style seaming. It has the button detail on the wrist, scoops in the middle. This is the medium, so you can see it is pretty oversized with the seam detailing through the back. In the dark indigo, also in the light chambray. The light color looks like it has some distressing, and they are going to be $24. New rhinestone jeans from Sofía Vergara. These are high rise, straight through the leg. Just a very little subtle rhinestone detail, and none on the back. It's a mid-rise boyfriend ankle, and they're $29. New tops and skirt sets from Free Assembly. So these have a small collar, tie, little peplum, cuff sleeve, 2 front pockets, continues around the back. It's $24 in that blue stripe and also in the green. And then to match, they have these skirts. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring, flowy with pockets in the same stripe. Also comes in green, and they're $26. I think they have these online only, the pull-on Melissa flares. have not seen these in stores. When I was in New Jersey, they did have them a lot, but these have that elastic waistband, pocket, fitted through the leg, perfect flare. You guys know I love her jeans. And then they have that high rise, and these are going to be $22. Also new skinny jeans from Sofia. So these have the double button pocket, whiskering, fitted through the ankle, really good seam detailing in the back. And these are going to be $22. Tees from Sofia. So these have that scoop neckline, cap sleeve. It has the ruching on the side. Seam fit through the back. This one comes in white, also in black. And they are $10. Also new crew neck tees from Scoop. So these have that high neckline, longer sleeve, fitted through the body. This is the medium, so they are smaller fit. In the white, also in the baby blue and the black. And they're $9. Pants from Free Assembly. These have that elastic waistband. It's a French terry drawstring, 2 front pockets, seam detail. Also has the metal hardware, and then that seam kind of fit through the back. They are going to be $22 to match. They have these hoodies. So these have that same French terry drop sleeve, the banded wrist, also the banded bottom with the slit on the side. And these are going to be $24. New short sleeve sweaters from Free Assembly. These have that crew neckline, smaller gold buttons, a little shoulder detail, and it's rib trim, the ribbed bottom. In the white, also comes in navy, and they're $22. New sweaters from Free Assembly. These have the smaller collar, gold buttons, ribbed with the ribbed wrists, and then the seam in the back. Only seeing these in the navy, and they're going to be $24. New little collared tops from Free Assembly. These have the smaller collar. It's a half button, little shoulder detail, nice stretchy ribbed material. It's fitted through the wrist, really good length through the back. Comes in the navy, also in solid white, and they are going to be $18. Two solid blazers from Free Assembly. So these have the smaller collar, lapel, the one button, has the slotted pocket, the little V design, relaxed through the wrist, and then the seam detail in the back. We saw the navy, but now I'm also seeing comes in the pink, and these are going to be $38. So these have that sweetheart neckline, the ruching long sleeve, fitted through the body. It's midi length, that same fit through the back. And they are new color in this denim skirt from Free Assembly. We saw it in that olive last week. Now I'm seeing it in the denim. So these all have functioning buttons all the way down, the side pocket, really nice seam detail, fit and flare with the seam in the back. And they are going to be $22. And then right next to it's a new denim skirt from Sofía Vergara. So this has the grommet detailing. This is going to be a huge trend for 2025. Little like studded jeans, tops, accessories. Has the whiskering, seam detail with the slit. It's a midi length, and then pockets on the back, and they're $24. Also new poplin shirt dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that rounded collar, full button up into the waist, has that drawstring, the eyelet through the sleeve. We also saw a top that looks similar with the button, and then it flows out in the light blue. You could see the seam detail, and that elastic does go around the back. Also comes in solid white, and they're $28. Also new sneak peek blazer, vest, and pant from Sofía Vergara. So this one has this smaller collar, lapel. It's a linen look material with the shoulder pad. Has this little ruche detail on the sleeve, 2 flat pockets, completely lined, and then the seam in the back. The blazer is going to be $38. And then to match, they have the wide leg pant. This one has that side button, side pocket, belt loop, straight through the leg. And the pant is $28. And then they also have a vest. This one has these squared neckline, buttons, trouser pockets, little V, and it's completely lined with elastic in the back. And this one is going to be $24. And she actually has the suit on. They also have in the same material these plunging VTs. So these have that V neckline, cap sleeve, that same smoothing material in the white. Also comes in black, and they're $15. New scallop tanks from Free Assembly. So these have that trim, scallop on the side, ribs stretchy through the body. These sell out so fast, so don't wait if you're interested. They're $14. In the pink, they also have this red and blue stripe. I also saw online they have the cardigans to match this. New poplin dresses from Free Assembly. These have the small collar, drawstring in the waist. It's full button, flows out with the eyelet trim. Same kind of fit through the back. You could see that elastic goes all the way around. Comes in pink. They also have navy back there. And they are going to be $36. Mock neck tops from Free Assembly. So these have that high neckline, sleeveless. They're nice stretchy knit through the front and the back with the seam. And the white also comes in navy, and they're $12. New cardigans from Sofía Vergara. It's a zip up. It has that nice oversized collar or mock neck when it's zipped. Bell sleeve, shorter through the front and the back. In the beige, also comes in black, and they're $27. Right next to that new gray blazer from Scoop. This one has this smaller collar, lapel, one button, two flat pockets, relaxed through the wrist with the buttons, and then it's completely lined on the inside with that same kind of fit with the longer length through the back. These are going to be $38. Also new gray pants to match back to the blazer. So these are from Scoop. They have the side button, side pocket, cargo pocket through the leg. Flowy. It's called the utility trouser. These are $32. New tanks from Scoop. So these have the thicker strap, that Scoop neckline. It's a smoothing material, really good length through the front and the back. In the white, also comes in black, and they're $14. Also new Flutter sleeve tees from Free Assembly. These have that boat neckline, the Flutter sleeve through the front, the little slits on the side, and then the same fit through the back. Comes in white, also in the navy and white stripe, and they're $16. And then also new little embroidered button down from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, full button, a little bit of a drop sleeve, button on the wrist, scoops in the middle, a little bit length, just like a tiny bit of length in the back with the seam. And it comes in the blue, also in white. You could see the detail through the sleeve, and these are $24. How cute are these new little mini skirts from Scoop? So it's a faux leather material, has the seam detail, zipper in the back with the hook and eye closure, and they are $24. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.